Hi, hello everyone, and welcome to the Artefakt Award ceremony. For those of you who don't know, the Artefakt Award is awarded every year at the Rikon convention. It's an award for the best work in speculative fiction that is usually published in the year prior. In the beginning, I want to thank everyone involved in making this award possible. First of all, my readers, who are really great, and they read everything published in their category and then vote for the best work in that category. Then, big thanks to our partners, Rijeka City Library, who help us with the children's and young adult novel category. Their book clubs for children's and young adult novel are our youngest jurors, and these young people are truly our future. So guys, really thank you for all your hard work. And in the end, big thanks to our amazing and talented Nella Donato, who designed these beautiful awards this year. So, and well, without further ado, the awards that are still hidden, actually, because we had nominations published. Then, in the children's novel category, there were 4 nominations, and the award goes to Krunoslav Mikulan, Zmaj ispod Staroga grada. He pre-recorded his short message, so we can hear it now.
Pozdrav svima. Ja sam Krunoslav Mikulan, autor romana Zmaj ispod Staroga grada. Zahvaljujem se čitateljima i žiriju na podršci i na nagradi. Ova mi je nagrada vrlo bitna, osobno, iz 2 razloga. Prvo, što je to žanrovska nagrada, a ja sam fan SF-a i fantasija od malih nogu. I drugo, što je to prva nagrada koju je Zmaj osvojio. Hvala još jednom. Koristim priliku da za svoje vjerne čitatelje najavim nastavak koji će izaći u veljači iduće godine pod naslovom Škola u opasnosti. Čitamo se i dalje. Hvala još jednom i puno pozdrava.